Hey everyone, so today we'll be making this smoothie bowl, very high in protein and quite delicious actually. So first for our ingredients, we'll be starting with a pea protein. You can use whatever protein you'd like, along with some almond butter, hemp hearts, which are very high in protein, chia seeds, some almond milk, and tofu. Now we'll start off with 3 ounces of tofu and 1 tablespoon of almond butter. Keep in mind you can add whatever ingredients you'd like to this. In fact, I'd love to try this recipe again with some cinnamon, give it an interesting flavor. Then we'll add 2 generous tablespoons of hemp hearts, half a scoop of pea protein, about 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, and finally we'll add about 8 ounces of almond milk, depending on how thick you want it. Then let's go to the blender. So for garnishes, you can use whatever you'd like. I personally love to use pumpkin seeds, some shredded coconut, these sliced almonds, and my favorite are these pecans. So here's our bowl. As you can see, mine turned out a little bit runnier than a bowl consistency, but if you'd like, you should use firm tofu to get a more thick consistency. But yeah, thanks for joining me.